Carpe Sus. Ben and I went hunting down in Bosque County, Texas. We checked out a feeder on the north end of the property. The game camera showed no hogs had returned since we'd killed hogs there last week. So we came back down to the south end of the property to the harvested oats field. And after about an hour or so, Ben spotted the sounder. We made an approach on it, got set up. Here we go. After my third shot, I had a malfunction right here. So we switch over to Ben's view. Ben's getting set up. He's making the last minute adjustments to the settings on his scope. Now I've cleared the malfunction, recharged the rifle, pick up this hog in the distance that has been wounded by Ben. And it goes down. And now there's a deer behind this set of hogs. So going over to Ben's rifle at the same time, he picks up these two closer pigs. And as he's scanning right, I'm scanning back to the left. And here I'm going to pick up those same pigs and realize they're still moving, not wanting the pigs to suffer. Try to put them down for good. And the last little pig gets away. We recovered 8 hogs in total. The first hog that I shot was a boar that came in at 110 pounds. The next 3 sows were 110 pounds. The fourth was 70 pounds, all of which had given birth previously. And then we had 3 piglets that could not be identified to sex due to ballistic damage.
Optics provided by Third Coast Thermal.
Carpe Sus, my friends.